ma la ga chang dar chai nyor ka dung dit media ka chang wal jok ka pai wal ka ron kin de dang rau de jan dang rau de diech an mak bangut gok be nung la ret la nung yen chang ka dung dit media ka tin to ka jinup Sudan ka na win mo na dien an wal ga chang wal jok ka pai wal ka dung dit media ba yen nung rau de lab de ni men yam mata lok doctor yang ma char kan ne dang baro te cha ga cha ka kel ka ta chi nyu na wal ga jube ka chang bang wan dien ka chang nyu ru lok ba yin wa den de kon cha ra tin ke gwa ron wa dan manu cha kap jogodi mere ode bala o ba ga roi ke kwij order te fan te cha to be pol nang ngai kon pol nang again the ship of the army the new ship be pai loi guade me cha kon wo tin me so ban roi about pol nang ka ban roi about order te to pan we see about 4 orders ba ko lu kwen ata pan ne chalan ne so re wo to kan man cho lab den ni ka chang wol jo wal ka chang dar ti ban no ro ko dung dit media min na man na cha la de dung kod la dung lok na na we ka jinup Sudan dung doctor yang machar sina nyu wal ka chang bang wan den cha ka no yo kor jo ko me chu en wo ti lar ka ro den ko nguni ko kon ni ti chi to an wale ka wo we na re ka chang bang wan den chala o wan no additional witness evidence to addition evidence to know ka ne ding going ala prosecuting judge ala lawyer content going ke doctor ek machar shi ga banyal ke new evidence ti can it all related to case nather shi ga banyal bo ke witnesses ne ti cha nyo organize kan ti can it all witness tinga ke me to nather. So no, that was the content. And you can now wall. The court take a cross examination. Which are one a defense team, a defense lawyers, in Dr. Regmachar. Can all the witnesses can evidence which are present as a new. Chow you cross check again. Chinara Jordan. So no, the right chele to and cha passport. John let me say to Changwal DH Kapai Wall. Munu on Wednesday. Kachanga Doko Jowa Contin. Kujimo, Teleconac Bar one can look at Nana Lada Wale. Ko can evidently present Kunguni, Kananguni. Can name content cha produce as witnessed wale la shoot kangani kanangani tarod na ka residien ba ko nu ye ke beton medong mire oda mandan nung ne ye labdet karwani te pande cha lat pol nang ngai kon again the chief of SSPDF cha kwany medan metro coordinator you were there in the ship ko de ale to coordinator mano ba garson den ba George mano ba majurnak he was the one in charge of the army so manata ablo yiga jok melo yiga nater so that is story mani yen doctor ek machar mani nong bol melnyal mani tedi ali lat ka time ete kwara manu kore da ne baba ter gwan dial ka aspela mayu manu ben Uganda kaso Sudan to dial that was a time of Paul nang so ka kor gwan me ja bo cha da wa tur jong chano and the reason ta ra jode ene wo ke Paul nang me dan ke nyam ka ba da wa tur jong ba no so it was a good time ja ko la a good time kambol mel kan President Salva Kiir. A good time come President Salva Kiir Kanebol Mel ko Paul Nang was like a threat. Kabol Mel. Kabol Mel share more free range. His political power. Exercise political power. So good time take President Salva Kiir and Bull Mel chuko kon spare ko chwa pol nang chwa wuch chaka ra jo de long chaka te di te le ga ya galat ka dung dit media wana so chi dawa tu jong ke lat po 3 man kor po nang dok dawa tu jong te le mi ja complete te le mi di no chalat again the continuation of core dan ne ja tu ko pol nang ko kor po me kor pai dok so mu no me ban wi kom dam me kwar cycle je lu ni jen jok bara ku lu no ko te kon te yalat kada te gu ti balat ka ngun balat long more than te kon te yalat kite cha shibe ni kata te yala ship me joy kara na ter ko ngun ti bum go je long de lare o yes is the right person go de lo jok so taro ban re dien ban gu pol nang pan je barar go order number 1 jeni chol mi al red bell chol kan red bell movement tanen den ja ko ne lul nya diet ala luraj red bell movement jo kan e wona ne bi aro report by the integrate ka SPDF taba red bell movement ngai ko ne o ke ngwan bor tele ka physical formation tele ka central command aye ngwat bor mata ka mai aye majirim criminal mata bor a member of red bell so muno no mi chola ke wo bi ano mai kun ba be integrate to the army a one way of mobilization la recruitment ba no ken la kin ta buno ku median is open we go around and down with it the reason why they are operating in that way wo chika no go ba am ba joje ken no matter what chang chola they will not come again the general can chika ba voluntarily bara be report come on a short bore they will face a forceful disarmament ngai kon story de ga jinu Sudan ko it mean na am jol ga mai bichimo adi ba mai da backup that we say no go bordial de kon darham kan pastoralist de kon labor taga no Equatoria taga ni naga Bargazal taga dai bor taga mai darham so mo po nang wodiel ko boro kon ta boro kon ta nana ba mai ken ba no boro ken that mean che plan me bilat number 1 cha no kan so called red bell ko bar report to malwala shot cha no kan ko chikan nu de chikan gor nu wen ngai ken wo the more you are report wala bay nang no lo dien bonu ko amte kor and that was not their intention see ne gor kan gor the criminal activities within bor so should mo and nonsense tell the talk rew de chula wona ne mi chola ke what about the rest of organized group Chega White Army you talk of Chamdor Kirka Greater Nather. There are you Judy. Kilunu to the Jang. So when you do no more, number 1 no more, Kaje, and what or pan a 0, the later talk. Order number 2, she allow Joga when a Bargazal. When a Bargazal may converted by Tidwang Tidmu. Di ala kon daga mai re okel to la nyen rumbek to la nyen to ni to la nyen ka leg state doro jwale chambek ni ne riele to jo ke wo yen la da mai kun pe nge 1 day la da pe that mean ba report ka barang ni military bara ka out forces ka police ka ngu no easy say than that nobody will come and might have report na ka gad bo ko lo ni war be ni ka bar ga zel tan ne ka kan ngai kan o ka ne organized unity are more powerful than the Indian attack nobody will fight so abang tell a rated token right now and Chalarji Bargazal within 21 day be a my kun be a surrender. A lot. Mandodian Roger Jalatke Quija SPL Mayo. Again the main topic. Kakan order rocket fante top. SPL Mayo up to this stage. Ta take a Equatoria, ta take a Upper Nile, ta take a Bargazal Kawaw. She not in mercy of SPLMIG. She SPD up Menjuga SPL I won an Itaya Guanatoro. Kotaban Korea ter, we see it. Chinyigi Equatoria, take Korma Wale. All the position of SPLMIU Quaga attack. What the contingent and they are long for attack that is still existing. What the contingent of Barana can Jago Fai. Take Cordian Mongot. SPLMIU coexist protection of itself alone. Ganga road legend. Ka Equatoria, ka Bargazal, ka Upper Nile. So me you can we are controlment areas ni. Ya ramong or the Jawa controlment area back kabala hostile post. The language of hostility in the Thodian, a hostile post. So can contourment use as well my wood or contourment they can. Contourment they want not doing my thing, the chadacti, the term the thindi. Okay, what are those contourment you mean? Hello, contourment. Again, and what as well my work exists not for the interest of government, not for the interest of SPDF. Kashi a Paul Nangla ship diano. Kashi and Joko Motaya Guanatoro. Mulu Royal Adamokelu, Jagataya Lo Japan, headquarter of SPLM IO, Mechala de a spokesperson ni Lampol Gabriel. A business, Kake. Talaguada, SPLM IO will emerge stronger. Can this chaos, can problem to read to you know Sudan. So that I'm there silent. Can this main thing tin condelade addition to an menkula number 4 was checkpoint ideal tin content kamenya road highway you talk about between Numlik and Jube between Yeg and Jube between Juba and Bor between Bor Karayir and Wado Ken so on what the aldo journey checkpoint the aldo bag dismantle which is lie, take in one, metagati. Even the time it is in the never done at a checkpoint 1 year mogelu. There are about 700 checkpoint in Laquacon from Bor, Ladamelkan, a year. So the fact that it would a year case also done territory, she administered as PLM IG Kelu. Take what out of their control. They want to control their control, they are not able to control their movements. The activities can take along and make our control again. So tell a checkpoint. So Sudan cooperate as it won. What take along the thing, be survive. As we always say, what an hour survival mood. Tell me, can you cook me pain? So a lot. Which large go in a checkpoint, yeah, look a mangu. So Taro, tell her what can. Kasamari, Kakan corner corner chol and wo Kenyan Changa Walame. Muluno Kateko Ken, Tian Ken Rajana Lane about court, Kachanga Bang Dien, Kapai Wall, I mean Kachanga Bang Dien, Kanyur, Muluni Changa Wall Jokapai Wall. Tijala Tin the Ken the corner Yagalat, Ko Chala additional witness, Tijano persecuting team, can some evidence. Tijawa guess that I can join your so she defending team, cha cross check again, cha case actually John up to that 15. So jen loro ken chang loko walame. Manodian chwela rajanan lat kone ku te order to cha tup a ship of general staff no fall nang. Cha rajodian cha kala go chiga very important along as we count them about 4 of them. Tin content chalat. Ku di cha kujina na gwine kwidian Chakalat. Ko na bana limlu akbaro ken ben ko kwat yang yo ko dung dit media bana ko nyoko menung ne gaye. Lar ne ko mi ran jo malajak kwe share ka linge ka kwe like. Shukran.